Hey folks, it's Mrs. Park, and I'm going to show you how to create a video post on a Schoology discussion forum. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the class where you have the discussion. Let's assume it's my class. Let's assume it's lesson 3. If we go to lesson 3, I have right now a test discussion right here. Okay? So let's say I've read the instructions, I know what I'm going to do, and the instructions say to create a video comment. So I'm going to click here in this write a comment box, and I'm going to click this little audio video recording microphone. And when I hit that, what I would do is hit audio and video. Now I'm not going to do that because I'm screencasting and it would be a video within a video and would create all kinds of crazy stuff. But let's assume that, well, you know what? Let's do it. So I'm going to allow it to use my microphone and my camera. Look, it's me. It's Mrs. Park. Here's my comment, okay? This is me in my office hanging out. I'm going to hit start recording. Make sure my camera is good. I feel good about it. I'm going to record my comment. So here's my response. Here's what I think. Here are the things I have to say. And I'm going to stop recording. And when I'm done, I'm going to insert recording. Now, it's telling me I can't post here, okay, because all I have is a video recording. So you can just say, see attached for my video response. Okay, now it's going to let me post, and when I post it, it will be here as a little video response. Now, if it wants you to watch your classmates' responses and then to reply with your own video response, you'll watch this video. Okay, it'll open up like that, and then when you're ready, you can reply. Again, you'll hit that same little microphone button if you want to reply with a video response.